Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will see about the many-to-many relationship without the reference. So that means normally I have shown you in the previous video when we need to use reference. Which scenario it is better that we can use the embedded document instead of having this reference thing. Let's try to see. I will show you a simple example and we'll try to see that one. For example, let's say that I have a products. I'm having a products. Let's say it's an e-commerce. So I have a products and I have a customer. So now customer will order the products, right? So he will order the products. So that means a customer can have many orders. So that means customer can have many orders. So a customer can order product and one product can have many customers. One customer can order many products. So like this you'll be having. So now let's try to see this one in a demonstration. I will try to show you, then you will understand it. For example, let's say that I am using the shop. Okay. So now while using this shop, now let's try to create a product. Products.set one. I am inserting one product such that let's say that I am having a title, product title, say book one. So I am trying to sell a book one and its price is around 12.99 or something at the time of this. So now the product was inserted. Let's say that we are having a customers collection set one. I am inserting a here. The name of the person is Leela, and you can have some other details. So this is the customer. Right now I am having a product and a customer. Now the customer wants to purchase the products. Okay, let's say that let's create an orders table. He want to order. So order dot insert one. Okay, he will order the product, something like product ID. So reference join table. So in product ID will be this one, and the customer who is ordering is customer ID. I can have that's it. Now I will insert. Now if I try to see db dot orders dot find dot pretty, if I try to see, so this is our join table, so that the product ID and customer ID here the orders will be having. So now if I want to check for a particular person what are the products he has ordered, so here we will be able to. So it's fine. So now we are having a join table. So now we understood that in MongoDB without having a third collection or third table, we can also do that one. So how we can do? So let's see that. So now customer can order products, right? So he can make an orders. Now what I can do here, db dot customers dot update one. So I will try to update here. We are having only one customer, so that now right set. Okay, I am having, instead of having a third party table, I am having orders. This is an array, and here I can have something like the orders. So you can have an order. Let's say that he is having an order such a way that what I can say is, so here what I can have is like product ID. The product ID is but this I can copy. If you want, you can also have a quantity also. Quantity, how many quantity has purchased this. Now if I try to insert it, now if you try to check this customer's candidate, now custom dot find dot print. If you try to see here, now this customer is having an orders and he has purchased and he has ordered one product with a product ID like this. Now if you want to get these product details, means now we need to query over the products collection and we need to get the product details. Instead of having this one, we can also add all the product details here. So you can argue me here. For example, let's say that at the time of this purchase, the product name was book one and the price was 12.99 at the time of this purchase. Now after some days or something like that, after his order, so some days, so this name has been changed and the price also has been increased to $14, let's say. But at the time of this customer purchasing, the product price was only $12, but it was increased to $14. So now he has, at the time he have purchased, so now the product is referencing to that one. Then we try to see the purchase, how much price he has purchased, means it will show you the latest price. So that means it is better that to include the price and name, whatever the details you want, you can include that here. So how we can do that one, instead of having like this, db.customers.update one, you can have the product ID, you can have the quantity, and you can also update the title one at the time of this purchase, and the price is also something like 12.99. You can update it like this. Now if you try to see customers thing, at the time of purchase, the product ID he purchased this, the object thing, the unique ID will never change. The unique ID will be like that only, and the quantity at the time he purchased was 2. The title was 1 at the time when he purchased, and it after some days it may be updated to product something like that. So something like a nice book or something like that. So anything, any name, it could be have changed. But at the time of this purchase, the product price, the product title was book 1, and the price when that guy has ordered, it was 12.99. But right now, if you go to this product details, latest product details, if you want to see, that price might be increased to $14 or $20 like that. But at the time of purchase, you want to have a details. So when you store only the reference here, okay, so like a pivot table or anything, so a join table, when you are trying to use that one, all the time the product ID, whenever I want to check what are the products that he has ordered, means if you have a reference, it will refer to the latest product details. And at the time when he has purchased this one, so it is 12.99, but now when he is trying to purchase it, it was 14.99. So this is not the correct, right? This is how in these scenarios it is better for us to store the details here in the embed document for the customers, instead of having in a pivot table or something like that. Okay, so this in the scenarios it will be useful for us. So this all comes in the debatable. So what I can say is this all comes in the debatable. I cannot say that this is and another is not the best. Depending on the requirement and the logic, how you want to show it in the application. So you need to decide in the MongoDB, okay, in the database. So normally in the SQL structure, so there is no chance for you. So you need to maintain a third-party table. So join table itself, there is no option for you. But in MongoDB, you have a couple of options that if you want to use the embed documents, you can use it. If you want to use the reference, you can use it. Or otherwise, if you want to add the reference in the same table, in the same collection, you can add it. So like this, there are different options in it. So depending on the scenario, how you want to save the data in the collections, so you need to think before implementing the logic. So you need to think, you set the schema, and you need to plan according to this. So this is all about the many-to-many relationship in the documents. We have seen about how we can maintain the reference with the pivot table and all those things. And we have also seen about this when we need to use the embed documents, which scenario it will be better. We have also seen. So this is all about the relationship, how we can do it in the MongoDB. Hope you understood about this one-to-one, one-to-many, and also to. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.